Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to clear browsing data on Android 14. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. And now click on More icon, select History and tap on Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll find basic and advanced options, so just mark those that you wish to remove. Then personalize the time range so you can remove data from past hour, past day, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time, it's up to you. I want to perform a full cleanup, so let me pick all time, then click on Clear Data, confirm it, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.